Holy crap! That whole tree just fell and I saw the whole thing, and I've been waiting for that tree to fall, and I'm thankful it fell in the right direction, not onto that person's house. It's wrecked our trampoline. I'm going down to check it out. I was worried about that trailer over there. All right. I was going to walk through the forest, but it's, you know, a windstorm. I didn't want to get clobbered, so I have to walk through my path here where I have all this cedar shavings from, you might have seen when I grabbed them from a farm here in East Souk. So they're all on my path because I threw them down my wood slide, and I've only partially chopped them up. So now I got to walk through here. Yes, the trampoline. Most definitely broken. The slack line is pressed down upon. I think this might be bendable and fixable. This alder is going to become firewood. I mean, I knew that was ready to go. Now I got to call up PC Hydro, get rid of the rest of that thing, man. You can see some good alder wood here. That was crazy. I watched it all up from my cabin. I was seeing it through the window as it happened. I've been expecting that tree to fall. Frankly, it's just relieved the direction it fell in. Here's the slack line. Now it's very not slack. Wow. So that's not broken. The trampoline looks relatively toast. Oh my God. Crazy. Oh, it crushed some of the bamboo over here. Clean this out because it's all pressed up against. This is my bamboo fence. Wow. It's a lot of this. What was so dramatic about it was watching it fall. I heard the big split, and I just watched it come down like a what? Well, like a falling tree. Here's that bamboo that I feel like is really unfortunate. Okay, maybe it's not dead. There you go. The hole's kind of covered again. Look at this mess. Look at that. Yeah, I was working up in my cabin there. There's some windstorm drama. But it sure was dramatic.